Okay, hello there everyone. Today I'm going to be making a video based on other areas of concern for severe weather. So, other than the Midwest storm that's expected to happen on Wednesday, do have a video on that important watch if you're in the area. So, please do check that out in the link in the description below. And also, please do subscribe. That helps me, one, expand, but two, helps me reach out to more viewers so that word can spread out quicker into more people. So, for the rest of today, so we do have a slight risk in effect for New Jersey, Eastern Pennsylvania, Northern Delaware, Northern Maryland, Southern New York, and then very tiny sliver of Southwestern Connecticut. Now we do have a 2% tornado risk, and then there's a wind risk for down there, and then not so much hail. But then we do also have a marginal threat out there for monsoon-based storms, and then another slight risk down here for mainly wind, some hail possible, but wind is looking like the predominant threat. Gonna look over some radar runs, future radar runs, and then day 2. So tomorrow, we do have a slight risk here, and then yet another area over here, and then marginal expanding up there. Now, again, view the video for it, but whatever happens here in northern Iowa, western Wisconsin, and Minnesota is gonna literally shape how Wednesday works. If it works in the perfect possible way, the most perfect way for severe weather, Wednesday's gonna be a blow down for the upper Midwest. I'll tell you that right now. Absolute blow down. So now to show you guys some of those rare runs. And again, quick rerun. Again, slight risk so far for this area, but it's looking like upgrades to enhanced are likely, maybe even moderate if the event deems so, but I doubt it at this point, but anything can change at this point. So now I'm going to show you the models. So first off, let's give a look towards New Jersey. Let's show you guys up there what to expect for the rest of today and tomorrow. Okay. So, here's right now. Well, technically now, so. And scattered strong to severe thunderstorms are possible in this area, as seen here, and they are expected to last. So, here is 8 p.m., 9 p.m., 10 p.m. So, 10 p.m., the activity starts noticeably weakening, but there could still be a couple isolated strong to severe storms left over. Then, midnight, the activity should wane out. Some isolated thunderstorms, but nothing severe. But then skip on to tomorrow. Then you'll notice already by noon that you have some strong, maybe even isolated severe storm develop over here in New York. And then here's 1 p.m., 2 p.m. That cluster does remain. And then some noticeable development down here towards central West Virginia. And then here's 5 p.m. Well, actually 4 p.m. 4 p.m. Sorry. 4 p.m. Central Daylight Time, 5 p.m. your guys' time. So 5 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. So this is 5 p.m. for you guys. So I'll use the same Central Time. So 5 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Strong storms, some severe, still continue up there, but the new activity developing right here. Some noticeably showing hail cores. Those will likely turn severe. Then skip on ahead to 7 p.m. So it's not gonna be a huge outbreak sort of thing, but it's still a threat and still needs to be addressed. Definitely. So mainly expect gusts to 60 miles per hour, hail potentially to a quarter to maybe even $half size, as indicated by this model. But then it really clusters up a bit. Like, it's loosely organized over there. Then another loose organized system by so by midnight Eastern Daylight Time you could see some clusters remain, but then they start dying off at that point. So that's the Northeast US, what to expect. So now I will shift on over to the Southeastern US for today. So for the rest of today, not much going on now, but that will change. Now, skip on ahead to 9 p.m., 10 p.m., 11 p.m. So the model isn't as promising actually for this event. And then for tomorrow, though, I am gonna shift up here because this model actually does show a squall develop, in which, if that's true, that will set up tomorrow's event. I mean, Wednesday's event. That will definitely shape it up. The perfect recipe for a disaster. So, skip on ahead to tomorrow. Okay. 1 p.m., still nothing. But then 3 p.m., you start seeing some isolated cells develop there, but then also a noticeably severe thunderstorm towards eastern Minnesota. So, something that could happen. Then 21Z, so 4 p.m. Those storms are about the same intensity, maybe a strong storm or two, but that's about it. But then severe weather continues over there. That's going to need to be monitored. And then comes 7 p.m. That severe thunderstorm does actually move on into northeastern Wyoming, and more does develop. Now that's one area. So then comes 10 p.m. You could see it definitely clustering up. That would definitely pull the threat for damaging winds for portions of eastern Wyoming and southwestern South Dakota, and that's moving to southeast. Then comes midnight. You can see it starts weakening, but still likely marginally severe wind gusts here or there in some places. And then 2 a.m. continues to weaken, but then it actually noticeably starts to re-strengthen as you head into Wednesday morning. Now, this is what determines what happens for that day, so this will be monitored extremely closely. So, here we have, 5 a.m., noticeable re-strengthening, and then 7 a.m. though, then it starts to re-weaken again, but some strong to even some marginally severe wind gusts could impact Sioux Falls, so gonna need to watch for that. And then comes 10 p.m. It's noticeably weakens, just some thunderstorm cells. This is where I will actually move on to Midwest. Wait till you see this. Assuming this scenario, the Midwest is in for a blowdown. So, skip on right on ahead to 15Z Wednesday. So, yep, there's SL. So, here's 1 p.m. Just showers, maybe an isolated thunderstorm or two going on, and then some showers over here develop. Then some of those could actually be strong storms right there, but that's not the main event we're going to be focusing on. Oh no. Couple strong cells likely outside, but then here's the region we're focusing on. You can already notice some strong to even marginally severe storms developing by 20Z or 3 p.m. So mid-afternoon. Then here we come 4 p.m. Already lining up, likely posing risk of some now looking like hail and definitely damaging winds, but also a couple of risks of tornadoes. And then 7 p.m. this would be one of the worst case scenarios out there. Couple clusters, and then wow. Assuming this will be a major blowdown, but that's what we've got. Check out my video in the description if you live in the Midwest for more details. And this was just a quick rundown for those of you who were discussing the previous video. That's what to expect. So that's the end of the video. And stay safe, stay weather aware. And if you're especially in the Midwest, prepare now.